Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can set, modify and display your application title and subtitle. So to start off, I have a very bare bones application here, and what I did was I used the title and subtitle class attributes and I set them to something. So I set the title to app title and the subtitle to app subtitle. Not very imaginative. And now if I run this application, I will see nothing. But at least it didn't break. So if I cancel, if I stop, if I interrupt the application, what I'll do now is I'll take a widget called header. Sorry, I don't know why I typed that. I'll take a widget header and I'll yield it in the compose method of my application. So I'll yield the header. And if I do this and if I rerun my application, now I see a header here which shows the app title and the app subtitle. And I can click the header to expand it. And I have the title and the subtitle there. Now, these two class attributes, the title and the subtitle, these class variables, they're static. So you set them here and that's it. But there's also two reactives on your application that you can use to change your title and or subtitle dynamically. To show you that, I'll go ahead and I'll import the input widget as well. Now my face is in the way, but what I did was, you can see there I imported the input. Let's move that back. And what I'll do is I'll also take the textual on decorator and I'll yield two inputs here. So the first input will be to edit the title, id equals title, and the second input will be to edit the subtitle, and the id will be underscore subtitle. Actually, let me show you, sorry, let's do something else first. So nothing here, and what I'll do is on input.changed. What I'll do is I'll update the title, the event I need it so that I can get the new text, and what I'll do is self.title equals event.value. Yes. Perfect. So now let me run my application. And if I type here, you can see that whatever I type shows up at the top in place of the title. And if I cancel, I can do self.sub_title. And now what I type changes the subtitle of the application. And what I wanted to do was I wanted to have one input for each. And if I have the ID match the name of the attribute, then I can use some dynamic. Instead of using this, I'll do I'll set the attribute on self. The attribute is the ID of the input, so that thing, and the value is the event value. And now let's copy the placeholder as well. So now I can run my app. I have two inputs. This one changes the subtitle and this one changes the title. So this is how you can change your application title and subtitle. There's also, if you need more fine-grained control, you can even change title and subtitle on screens. But I will link to the documentation for that below, and I will also link to the code. So this was it for this short video. If you have any questions, just join the Discord server to ask them or leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.